Creating columns in Tekla is very much like creating beams with a few exceptions. To understand what are the exceptions, let's create a few views first. So I go to Views, New View, Basic View, and View Parallel to XY Plane, Coordinate 0. I'm going to create a view. So here is a view. I click the Control and P and I get a normal view. And I'm going to draw a view here, a beam here. So I go Beam and Beam. So here is one beam. Now I'm going to create another view at coordinate parallel to XY plane at a coordinate of 3000. So 3000 will be the Z value because we are going parallel to XY. So create view. Here is a view. Oh, we are not able to see the first beam we created. That is probably because the view depth is less than 3000. Yes, it's only 1000. So let me increase that to, let's say, 3000 and click on the view. See, the view is selected. You can see the border is highlighted and modify. And now we can see the view beam which was created before. Look at the grid line. The grid line is not at the beam. Let's switch to the other view. So this is the other view and you can see the grid line is at that view. On tiling the view, you can see that this is the new, this was the first view and this is the second view. You can see on the first view, the grid lines are at 0 and on the new view, the grid lines are a bit above. How can we find out at what RL? To find out the RL, I have switched to Edit View. I'm going to put a point, any position, I'm going to put a point here. And then I'm going to select that point, right click and inquire. The RL is 3000. So I have tiled the view. Now this is the point we created in this view and see that point is in blue color. But in this view, the point is in red color. Why is that? It is in blue color here because this point is on the view plane. So we opened the view at 3000 and we created a point on that plane. So if the point is on the view plane, the color will be red. But in this window, the view plane is at 0. So you can see the point is not red, blue, it is red. That's the way Tekla does with point. If it's on the view plane, it will be blue color. If it is not on the view plane, it will be red color. I can move this point away from the view plane by, let's say, 100 by going to Edit, Move, Linear, Edit and Move Linear, Move Spatial, Linear. And I'm going to select that point. I'm going to move it by 100. And you watch the color of this point. It will turn to red. See, there's red there and there's red here also. Because now this point is not on the view plane. It's away from the view plane. If I inquire this, it will be 3100 RL. Inquire 3100. I hope you understand that. This is very important. You need to know on what plane points are. Okay, now coming back to beams. So here I opened a new view and click 2 points and that beam was created at that particular RL. So if I inquire the RL of this beam, top level is at 0, 0. Now let me create a beam in this view. So what's the left hand side window? The cursor is above. The cursor is at the view plane. So if I create a beam here, you can see that the beam is created above this original beam. This view is at 0. This is at 3000. So the difference in height should be 3000. Let us check by going to view and measure. We'll just measure like that. So it's 3000. Why? Because this view is opened at 0, this view is opened at 3000, and in both the views we just click 2 points in plan view, and it was by it the location of the beam, the RL of the beam was defaulted to the view RL. This is super important. You must understand this very clearly. Try a few times, put a few beams, and you will get it then. Let me open a view at say 2000. So here is a view at 2000. So let me draw a beam. I'll turn this a little bit. I'll create a steel beam. So you can see that that's at a different RL. So fundamentally, the beams which you draw in plan view is always at that view RL. But you can also draw a beam something like that between RLs. For that, you have to tilt the view. If you just draw in plan view, normal view like that, it will go to the default view RL. So if I draw another view beam here, it will be at 3000 RL. So you can see that. Now you have to watch these windows. We'll come to that a bit later. So that's the behavior of beams. Depends on what view you are opening and what is the orientation of the view. If it is like that, then it will draw at the default RL. That is, if the view is normal. Also, it depends on this switch. But the column doesn't work like that. Column is always the top RL and bottom RL are given, and it does not look at the view RL. For example, if I put a column here, it goes to 0. So it has come from 0. So if I put another column here, that will also go to 0. So it doesn't depend on the view where the bottom and the top of the column is. But if you double click this column, see two fields, top RL and bottom RL. So you can change it here. So if I change it to 1000 and modify, you can see the bottom RL changing. It's this one. Let me change it to 3000. You can see the bottom RL is changing. You can also double click this one and set it here. So 3000, let me set it to 4000. Hit enter and then create a beam here. And you can see that it starts at 4000. If I inquire this one, but bottom RL is 4000. Top RL is 5000. This is meters. So I suppose how column behaves is clear, and how it is different to beams is clear. But what we have not covered is this portion that we will deal with a bit later.